Hey everyone, stick with us versus herd. If it's your first time here, you like the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications from when we post videos, tap the bell. If you haven't yet subscribed to our options trading live channel, link is below in the description. We go live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before market open. And if you want to join the UVH fam, our community, links are in the description for our Discord and our options trading group on Facebook. This week was kind of wild for me. Started off Monday with $1,700 to $1,800 in losses, and ever since Monday, I've kind of been going plus and minus, and you can't make money having more than 2 red days a week unless you have some really big green days, right? And we had some green days here this week. We've had red days, but the red days definitely outpaced the green days, and I want to cover what I did wrong and what mistakes I made and how to move forward. A lot of people made money this week. Great. A lot of people lost money this week, and we need to learn from that. If you made money, comment below, got paid. If you lost money this week, comment below, learned a lesson, and if you can, do me a favor, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Today, I'm not going to go over my trades in detail. I'm just going to kind of overlook. I made some money in Disney. Was really the only stock that I made money in. SPY, lost some money in Zoom. So, P&L's pretty whack this week, but that's to be expected based on what I'm about to cover here on where I made a mistake. I've been analyzing when you have a down week or a down day, you have to analyze what you did wrong, what you did right. And for me going forward, where I went wrong is the swing trades. The swing trades this week were horrendous. My swing trades were awful. However, what went right were my day trades. Right? I had pretty successful day trades this week. Going back and seeing it, I had like an 80 to 90% win rate on my day trades. Swing trades, I was near miss every single time. And the reason for that is because I wasn't paying attention to the charts enough. I placed a bet. I made some opinions about the market that the market doesn't care what your opinions are. I think the biggest struggle right now is there's a lot of bad data, but the market is not reacting to that, right? Like right now, we had the unemployment numbers came out super high. We're almost at 20 million unemployed within the last 3 weeks. And you're kind of thinking to yourself, why is the market going up? Why is it doing this? And it doesn't really matter. We need to focus on the price action and kind of where things went wrong this week. Things went wrong with me. I have the daily moving averages here. I have where things went wrong. Okay, is when we had the death cross of the 200-day and the 50-day moving average. We had the death cross here back on March 28th, 27th area, March 30th, right in here, right? And the market came down, right? And I was short in there. We made some money when the death cross happened. Now the thing is, what you have to take a note of on the death cross is it's more of a long-term signal. It doesn't mean that's going to happen. We're still, as long as these are crossed to the downside, it's going to be a bearish indicator, and that's what's happened right now. So, just because it's a bearish indicator doesn't mean we can't go up. I mean, maybe these will cross back over to the upside, but I'm thinking that they're not going to. I'm thinking that we're probably going to be pinging between 290 and 250 for the foreseeable future here. The market has become more stable. The market has become more rational. We haven't had any halts in a while. Things have been kind of calm and collective a little bit, minus due to the Fed kind of stepping in, and we also have the stimulus going out that's supposed to stimulate the economy, stimulate small businesses and large businesses, everything in between. So the Fed's doing what they can, and that's what's kind of stabilizing the markets. Also, there's some good news of possibly slowing down the virus situation that we have now. But where I made a mistake here was on Monday. I thought, okay, we had a hard rejection here on SPY at 260. Had a hard rejection, came down. I thought we were going to have another leg down. We were going to break. We broke the 10-day. We were going to break down to like the 230 area, 240 area. That was my play. So on these little bounce ups, I made some money here. On these little bounce ups, I was starting to lay in a short as we were kind of moving a little bit higher. I started to lay in a short, And on Monday, I had the biggest losing day. I lost like $1,800. So I made some money back between now and Monday, but it just wasn't enough. I didn't anticipate on Monday swinging over the weekend with bearish positions that we were going to have such a big day on Monday. Monday, we just skyrocketed, and I've just been kind of playing catch up from there. But once we broke the resistance here, my mistake was not adding in some bullish positions. And since then, we went from 260 all the way up to above. We hit 282 today. So we put 20 points on within 3 days from when we got above this 260, 263 resistance, and this is what I've been looking for. So that was my mistake, and you got to fess up to that. Like, what did you do wrong? You have to evaluate this. So now, for me, I'm seeing what's going to happen here. Is this gonna push up to the 50-day? Is this going to push up to the 50-day moving average here? And are we going to get rejected, or are we going to bust through? I'm thinking that it's going to touch this and kind of get rejected, and we'll see what's going to happen here. I think that the market's is trying to find fair value. I think we ripped down too fast, and now we're also ripping to the upside too fast. But eventually, things are going to settle down, and we're going to try to find a better range that we're going to trade in. Right now, the market is searching for a range. You can see it dropped to the downside hard, and now it's ripping to the upside pretty hard. And is it going to get stopped out here like this was following the 10-day down, kind of guiding it down? Or are we going to bust through and these are going to reverse and we're going to go back into more of a bullish pattern here? So right now, it's still bearish, of course, but let's see within the next week or two if we can cross this 50-day and kind of go from there. But like I was saying in the beginning of the video, when you come off a losing week, you have to evaluate what trades went well, what trades didn't go well. And moving forward, I'm going to be focusing more on day trades because that seems to be where my bread and butter is right now. Swing trades are not working out based on my opinions about the market. So the overnight risk is going to take a back seat. I'm going to do more day trades, build that confidence back up, come back next week, start killing it. And we'll see what the market does. It doesn't matter what's going on in the world. What matters is what the price is on your screen. And you have to remember that. We got a little bit carried away with all the CNBC alerts, all the news alerts. Things get crazy with all the bad news that you start kind of getting dragged down. You think that starts to weigh on your opinion of the market when it shouldn't. Yes, you should take that stuff into account, like the job numbers and stuff. But the job numbers makes the market go up apparently. So you have to be aware of what the prices of the market, what levels we're testing, and focus on the price on the screen, not necessarily your bearish or bullish opinions about the market. So that's what I plan on doing next week. I plan on coming back. We have tomorrow off due to Good Friday. I plan on coming back fresh Monday, going to relax, going to review my trade some more, kind of concentrate again, what I did wrong, what I did right. If you watch this video to the end, comment watch to the end. You can hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.